everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. So, today I am back with one more important lesson, that is daily English worksheets for nursery and KG class. We know that children are at home and we require more creative worksheets and which can engage the whole family. So, today, first of all, we will draw a monkey and then we will convert into a worksheet, and along with that, we will learn some spoken English for kids also. So, let's start. Draw a cute monkey today. We know that drawing is very relaxing, so whenever you want to relax, you can draw something easy and something cute. Okay. And then we will draw the face like this. Now I will draw the eyes of the monkey. Okay, now the nose. Now the mouth. Now I will just make the hands. Then we know monkeys love to eat bananas, so I'll draw banana in the hands. Now the body of the monkey. The legs. And a long tail. Okay, so my monkey is ready, and now we can is it looking cute? So now we can convert this into a worksheet for kids. So mothers, like teachers, they can draw it and then they can convert into a worksheet for the kids. They can use it, and then I will teach you that how they can use according to the age and the class of the child. So let's make it a worksheet. So M for monkey, so I will make capital M and small m. Now I will write capital M. Like this, and small m like this. So my capital N and small m is ready, and now you can use it as a worksheet. So now I will tell you how to use it as a worksheet. Now you can tell the child, if the child is in nursery class, means 3 years of age, or if the child is of 2 years of age, then the child should be in playgroup. Then the child can just hold a thick crayon, brown crayon, and let them color inside this, so that the child can have the concept of M and small m, or and then you can just give them to color this one. Then don't make this small m if the child is in playgroup. So this will be not be there, and this will not be there. If the child is in nursery, let them color this thing, let them color the monkey, and let them tell that in 4 lines they can have to write M like this, small capital M and small m, and then give them the copy also, that they can practice more. And if the child is in LKG, then you can tell the spelling also, that what is the spelling of monkey. Tell the child the spelling of monkey also. They can learn the spelling also. And along with that, they can write capital N M, small m also. And we know that whenever we draw something, it is important that we should be able to make 5 lines on that thing. Because it is very important to increase the communication skill of anybody, of a child. So let's make 5 lines on monkey. Monkeys are wild animals. They live on the trees. It eats leaves, vegetables and fruits. They jump from one place to another. They are very intelligent. So a KG child can do all these things. They can learn the spelling also. They can speak it orally. They can know how to write in the copy also. And so all those things they can do. And if still some confusion is there, please write in the comment section. You can ask me according to the give the age of your child, ask me what they can do so that I can guide you more about that thing. So till then you can at least do this thing. Let them, if they are at home, let their be concept be clear actually, and along with that the work should be very engaging and creative, so the child can be very happy to draw. It should not be forceful. They should be happy to draw the worksheets, to do their work. Okay, so till next video I just want to say a bye to all of you.